Golden Cannoli Shells Inc., now located in Chelsea, Massachusetts, is our 2013 Bakery of the Year. For our November issue, we visited the bakery in its new location after only days of moving into its more spacious 30,000 square foot production facility outside of Boston. And things are really buzzing at the new facility. Still installing equipment and unpacking when we visited, the company relocated from a 12,000 square foot plant in Somerville, Massachusetts that it had been using from the start of its existence. Demand basically prompted the bakery to relocate to a larger space. The family-owned bakery now generates more than 100,000 shells a day at its roomier location, which is outfitted with some new equipment and some existing systems. The cannoli shells, in separate pastry bags of filling, are sold to bakeries in Boston's North End, as well as various pizzerias, restaurants, and frozen to supermarkets in-store bakeries across the country. The new operation in Chelsea is allowing the bakery to significantly increase its production capacity of its tasty cannoli. The growth came from its quality, according to Vice President and owner Valerie Bono. She says Golden Cannoli uses only the best ingredients that are all kosher, trans fat-free, and preservative-free. The packaging also serves to substantially protect the delicate shells. The shells come in 4 standard sizes of 2, 3, 4, and 5 inches and can be coated in chocolate in a separate room, or cut into chips and sold in chip and dip packages, or the chips can be dusted with powdered sugar or cinnamon and packaged in clear clamshell containers. The products are shipped nationwide, with about 50% sold fresh and 50% sold frozen. Everything is produced to order within 24 to 48 hours. The cannoli shells are not sent to customers filled. Instead, the bakery fills pastry bags with the luxurious ricotta cheese-based filling and then freezes the bags before packing and shipping them and the shell separately. Customers then fill the cannoli themselves, which prevents them from getting soggy, so that at the store level, everything's fresh when the consumer gets it. At the Chelsea location, 4 production lines have been installed, featuring existing equipment that had to be transported to its new home by a large crane. The new machinery included a high-speed automatic fryer, a high-speed sheeter, a stationary mixer, new metal detectors, and various cleaning and sanitizing systems. Functions such as mixing and sheeting, cutting, and packaging are kept separate to prevent cross-contamination. There's a dough mixing room, a frying room, and a chocolate enrobing area, and the lines flow in a U shape. Following SQF protocols, the bakery keeps finished product in one place, while the shells, creamy filling, and chocolate production are all performed in separate rooms. This is also done for kosher reasons and to segregate allergens. There are also a kosher dairy and a kosher parve room. The team at Golden Cannoli produces about 500,000 shells a day. Owner and SQF practitioner and head of business development, Eric Bresciani, says the facility is configured according to the production steps, so that the rooms separate many of the procedures. This follows the SQF methodology, which he says really helped to improve the organization. The cannoli shell dough is made in 500-pound batches. More than 24 employees now oversee the processing functions, from the time flour, sugar, vanilla, vinegar, and other ingredients enter one of the mixers in the mixing room, to when the dough fries and the hot cannoli cool in the frying room. After the dough is mixed, it's sheeted and a line operator folds it into specific, blanket-like lengths before it's placed on the roller of the production line. The dough unwinds before it's docked by a docking roller and is next cut into diamond shapes. The diamonds of dough then convey to a hand-rolling station onto metal dowels, which is part of Golden Cannoli's signature manufacturing process. The dough-wrapped dowels travel between 2 belts inside a fryer to cook. Upon exiting the fryer, they become golden brown and crispy. The heat of the oil evaporates the moisture in the dough, and as the moisture escapes, bubbles or pockets are created. The fried shells are then gently case-packed by hand into corrugate shipping cases, fitted with special inserts that help the bakery achieve nearly zero breakage. Considered the largest national cannoli maker in the U.S., Golden Cannoli Shells strive for top product quality and strict food safety standards, as well as to just do things right. It's for these and many other reasons that make Golden Cannoli our 2013 Bakery of the Year.